How's everyone standing around with their fucking thumbs up their arses?
Well, that's what I'm trying to say, you need a strategy.
Right. Do we know where they are?
Yeah. Kill line. 3 watching us and then there's a couple on the top line.
Right. Run a bunch together, spread out and move on them and keep fire on them.
That's the MRs now, move forward.
Push up!
Push up, push up! Nice one. Back
Sorry Lee, was a bit excessive. Push, push, push! No. Go, keep going. You okay? Right. You okay? Someone get on it. Someone get on it. Got it. On it, guys. 2-0. Yeah. Well done, Matt. Fucking what a game. 2 good games. What a fish. I love